Let's explore the preloaded space missions knowledge model. It includes concepts like missions, agencies, and launch vehicles. Learn how SPARQL Update modifies this data in Semaphore. This process is crucial for keeping your models up to date. Let's dive into the specifics of this use case. How can SPARQL Update transform your semantic models in Semaphore? This video guides you through updating the space missions model using SPARQL. Let's discover the power of modifying model data efficiently. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the SPARQL Editor interface. Before you get started, you will need to start your instance of Semaphore. In the Semaphore UI, select Knowledge Model Management and select the preloaded Space Missions model. Select SPARQL Editor and launch it. The SPARQL Editor command line launches with a preloaded select statement. On the right side pane, you will see the results of the queries made in the CLI. The results can be outputted in a table format. Select Submit to run the query. The results of the select statement will show the subject, predicate, and object assets available to view in your model. Let's examine this flowchart for model exploration and update. This flow starts with some prerequisites. You need to know SPARQL, have an existing semantic model, and have the required role. Without these, the workflow can't begin. Once prerequisites are met, open a model. Then click Edit Master or Task and select the SPARQL Editor from the menu. The SPARQL Editor opens with a basic query already loaded, giving you a starting point. After reviewing or editing the query, click Submit to execute it. Selecting Table Displays results in a structured, readable format. Selecting JSON shows the raw query output. Saved queries can be reused later, looping back into execution. When your task is complete, the workflow ends. We have provided a general workflow on how to query in SPARQL using the retrieve, bind, group by, and filtering options. This is not meant to be a lockstep workflow, and you can modify it to your needs. The Open Space Missions mode, SPARQL Editor, basic query preloaded submit behavior is described in the model flowchart in the prior screen. This Space Missions script provides the concrete retrieve missions query and calls out computed bind, aggregation, group by, and filtering as the progressive stages. For additional information, read the description below this video.